Step number 10, the final step, is really just a step for adjusting or fine-tuning your press. The settings were made at the manufacturer to allow space for the bed to pass through under the rollers. But as you assemble the press, you may want to go back and check the distance between these parts of the press that you put together. It's adjustable from the passive side. Remove the bed, or leave it in place, and expose the jam nut. Here, for example. If you loosen the jam nut, move it away from the wood, and then with the 1/8" Allen wrench, you can tighten it in. And that will draw these two sides together until you reach the jam nut. That makes the space here narrower. But you see, the problem is it's too tight now. So you want to loosen it. It could be that in the assembly of the press you made it too tight and the bed won't move smoothly through. Now it moves smoothly through. That's how you adjust the sides of the press.